Hi guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can create a contact form using Google Docs or Google Forms. So first, make sure you should have a Gmail account in order to use the Google Forms. If you don't have, you can go ahead and create a new one. So let's get started. First of all, open the browser and type Google Forms, and it will open the Google Forms page where you can click on that, and here you can see it's coming up for the personal or for the business. So I'm going to use personal. Now I have already created several contact form with the Google site, so I'm going to create a new one. So in order to create a new one, you can click on this blank option with the plus sign, and then if you want to provide a title, here you can edit the title. Let's suppose I'm creating this for my channel PC Tips Pro, and the same title will come up here. If you want to if you want to provide any description, you can type in here and you can edit the description. Now here you can see it's coming up question. So these all are the fields you can edit and you can get inserted by the visitor of your website or for the survey purpose or for whatever the purpose you're using. So here you can enter the question. So I want to accept the name of the visitor and I don't want to do it for the multiple choice. I want to keep a short answer. In the same way, you can create a new one. So to add a new question, at the right side you can see it's coming up plus sign. So click on this plus sign, then a new area will come up. In this area, I want to accept the information which is email. Now, if you want to make this field mandatory, you can check this box which is required, and then it will turn into the mandatory. In the same way, if I want to keep the name mandatory, I will have to check this box. Now you can see name and email, both area are mandatory. Here you can see you can change the type, whether you want to make it for the short answer or the paragraph or the multiple choice and all. So I will keep it as a short answer. So next, if you want to accept the phone, so click on this again plus sign, type their phone, and change the type short answer, and if you want to keep it mandatory you can, otherwise you can just skip that part. So I have made the field to accept name, email, phone. Now I'm going to add another question, and that is for the comment. Comment in comment area, that means anybody can type anything. Now you can see in comment area it has already automatically selected the paragraph column, so I will just leave that part. So that's all. You can see I have created 4 different fields. If you want to keep the comment area mandatory, you can, otherwise you can leave it. So I'm going to leave that part. Now here you can see I have created 4 different area: name, email, phone, and comment. Now I want to, if you want to send it, so click on this send option, and you can either, here you can see you can send it to through the email to anybody, or by click on this option you can have a unique link where you can copy and paste anywhere, and you can ask anybody to fill that form. Or if you want to embed on any website like Google Sites or your WordPress website or any of your HTML or PHP website, you can click on this one. It will give you the HTML code. You can copy this code and paste it on the website, and you will be able to embed that. So I'm just going to copy this link and I'm going to paste here and press enter. Now you can see that Google form came up here with the name of PC Tips Pro. If I want to type my name, I can type my name there, and this is the email, this is the phone number, and this is the comment. After typing all of them, if your user will click on submit, you will have that response. You can see PC Tips Pro, your response has been recorded. You can find that response to here. You can see name, email, phone number, and the commit is coming up. Now if you want to edit, if you want to merge, or you can say link this response to the Google Sheet, then you can do that. I have uploaded different video. You can search in my channel videos. You can find there I have explained properly how you can link your Google Forms entries to the Google Sheet. So that's all guys in this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.